a lot of people, a lot of people ask us, well, how I got here. Sometimes I have to, I don't know how I got here after 40 years. But originally starting in the insurance business, we did just, home autos, and we started specializing in boats because I always had a boat. I grew up here as a kid in Point Pleasant. I was fortunate my parents had a house, so I was always in the boating community. It was something I always loved to do. And so we extended the insurance agency to really specialize in boating. But then my clients started calling me and asking me to help them with their service needs. Joe, do you know a guy that does this or that? And I would always say, yeah, go see XYZ Marine or go see this guy. And back in the day, we were young, we were looking for referral business, and nobody was referring back to us. And this is a true story. I finally got upset one time, and I got the opportunity to open up, and a gentleman was retiring, so I decided I needed a place for the business, and it was a full-service marine service facility. And I decided I'll bring the insurance agency there and I'll help my clients with service. That was for 15 years. We were on Manahawkin Road, a lot of you know that. And we did over 600 boats a year. We serviced, and we went through Hurricane Sandy. We were fortunate during Sandy that, we weren't really damaged. So the state police and FEMA and everybody were parked in our parking lot. And we were one of the first groups to go over the island and start taking boats out of people's bedrooms and behind their homes and all that. That's what we did, but it was a big full service facility. We got to the point where it really wasn't profitable, and we forgot what we did best. And what we do best is insurance. We weren't designed for a full blown Mercury certified, which we were, but a Mercury certified service facility. It became too much of a burden on both businesses, so we decided to stay in the insurance business and add a little boat brokerage on the side to keep us with the boats. But we closed that down about 9 years ago, and that's how we ended up here, because we needed a facility to house our insurance clients that we were going to sell. But we really expanded the insurance office as we started to go and away from that. But here's the main lesson that I take. Even though I'm in the business 40 years, I learned so much being a service facility owner by what goes wrong with engines, literally standing there with the claims adjusters who came in and looked at all this damage. I jokingly tell the kids, there's not a claim you can give me a bull story on. I know exactly what's happening on every claim that happens with every boat that's out there, because we service everything from 45 feet and down, and I saw every type of claim possible.